This video will show you how to calculate a change in an individual's heart rate or any other parameter that you've measured. So if you look at my data set, I've got an experiment with the resting heart rate of 15 individuals, their heart rate after walking, and their heart rate after push-ups. Now I could calculate an average of each of these categories, but that wouldn't be very meaningful because what I really want to see is the difference, how a person's heart rate changes, not an average for the whole group. So first thing I need to do is add these two columns. This is my raw data from the experiment, and in this column I'm going to calculate what's the difference between the heart rate of each person after walking compared to resting. So I'm going to click in this cell. I'm going to press equals to start a formula, and then I want to find the difference between these two cells. So I click on this cell minus this cell, enter, and then I can check 68 minus 65 is 3. I did that right. Then you can copy that formula all the way down the column by clicking on that blue square in the bottom right and dragging down, and it's going to calculate that same comparison for each of these test subjects. I can see that one of them is negative because for this one their pulse was actually lower after walking compared to resting, so I know that that is accurate based on the data that I collected. Then I can do the same thing here, equals, now I'm going to compare resting to after push-ups. So I'm going to click the push-ups column, minus resting, return, 20. 85 minus 65 is 20, so that's correct. I'm going to click on that blue square and drag it down to copy the formula, and now I've got the actual change for each person comparing resting to walking and resting to push-ups.